what happens usually is that you take the data, you merge it, you clean it, you do visualization, then you come up with hypothesis, what could be the reasons, and what predicts maybe that this speed of recruitment is faster. Then you reshape the data, it's called feature engineering, you select it then, and then you do a predictive model. Right? And it's really more about 50% letting the really think very deeply what you want to achieve, right? And then change the data, and the rest, and then it's only 10%, and then data speak. And you think about it, could be a leadership style that something happens that maybe you just don't get the right candidates, or the candidates leave, or it could be a rather ambient phenomena, something like you have performance ratings is not great, the team size is too big or too small, the commute time is problematic, the age or the gender gaps are too different, and you may lose candidates based on such criteria, but you look at a total different corner and wonder why it takes ages to fill such positions, right? All else being equal, that is, of course, right? And so what we would usually do, we would start with such hypothesis, and after we put the data together, we then would say, for example, team size, right? Average team size differences, yeah? And you could have another data point that hasn't been there before that you compute, and you come up with a lot of such hypotheses. And what you do then is you do see which is a linear trend, which is a non-linear trend, and you do all kind of transformations along the way. But the most important thing is you apply a due amount of business logic in order to understand what exactly it is that you want to achieve. And then you create a model, you use machine learning in order to then come up with a predictive tool, right? And the whole idea of it is really not that you come up with this big formula that explains the world, but you want to come up with a solution to a managerial problem, right? And a managerial problem could be, for example, like a weather forecast. You want to know from a good weather forecast, will it rain tomorrow? And you want to know from a predictive model, will I need to start recruiting because I will need candidates tomorrow? And if you start before the people leave the organization, the time to hire will automatically be reduced. This is a very simple example, but you got the point, right?